Do you want to create amazing videos using AI in just minutes? In this application of AI video, I will show you how to make stunning videos with AI tools so you can create professional content easily even without editing skills. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of AI video. You will wait until you find this first page of this application. You will click here. You will find create a video, so you will tap on this sign, and then here you can add your prompt. Then you can choose if you want text to video AI model. You can choose any text you want. If you want already find here, you can find already here some prompts or style. Also you can choose any style you want, for example anime. Here you will go to apply, and then you can choose anything to add to this video. For example, just for try, I added to this prompt, so I will wait until the video is created. So when your video is created, you can save it. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.